Yes, today is Sunday, the 10th of March, and we're here on the Paradeplatz. As you can see, I zoom in, or try at least. I'm standing here at the third most expensive hotel in town, in Zürich town, Switzerland, and that's my tram, huh? But I have to go on the other side. So I'm waiting for exactly that tram. And this, I have to make it like that. Oh boy. This is the Credit Suisse. And this is a United Bank of Switzerland, the biggest, largest bank, which took over actually this bank. So it's a mega bank. Has about, I don't know, 260 billion assets, Swiss francs. And this is the main office of the other bank, which has been taken over by UBS. So Credit Suisse here and UBS there. And something also, it's raining unfortunately, and I try to hold it nicely. This is a church. A church at the background there with the biggest watch, clock there in the whole Europe. There's nobody bigger. Okay. And this, by the way, is the famous Bahnhofstraße, where you can see shops like Giorgio Armani and all the things, man. Woo. So this is Bahnhofstraße, Giorgio Armani shop, and as you can see, beautiful old buildings. I try to zoom out. Yeah. Okay. So we're back. There is the lake. So about 500. You can see maybe. Yeah. I don't know. Can't open.